everyone, I am Dr. Nidhi Compose, going to deliver my next lecture on function and deficiency symptom of micronutrient. What is micronutrient? The first micronutrient is iron. It is important for oxidation reduction reactions as it has different valencies. Iron is found in two forms, one is ferric and other is ferrous. Iron is required for chlorophyll synthesis. Iron is main constituent of two groups of protein, one is heme protein and other is pyridoxine, means FeS protein. Iron form a locus for the electron transfer in many enzymes, for example cytochrome, peroxidase and catalase. Iron act as catalyst for nitrogen reductase enzyme and help in nitrogen fixation and respiration. Iron is a difficult cation for plant to handle since it readily precipitates. The deficiency symptom of iron occur when plant have its concentration is less than 50 ppm. The deficiency symptom of iron shows extensive intervenial chlorosis that are started from younger leaf. Iron is also immobile in plant. Leaves become white papery in appearance due to deficiency of iron. Similar to magnesium deficiency, except in younger leaves, iron shows same features. Due to deficiency of iron, white eye in paddy occur, yellow blotch in citrus occur and green ratting in potato take place. The next is copper. Copper is important for its oxidation reduction properties as iron. Copper is an important component of several critical enzymes. For example, plastocyanin that is important for photosynthesis, cytochrome oxidase that is helps in respiration. Copper helps in utilization of iron during chlorophyll synthesis. Copper helps indirectly in the formation of nodules. The deficiency of symptoms, plant needs very little amount of copper as they are rarely deficient in it. Experimentally, copper deficiency lead to distorted and dark green younger leaf and it is immobile in plant. Next is molybdenum. The functions of molybdenum. Molybdenum also important for its oxidation and reduction properties. It is a key component of nitrate reductase where it functions as an E-carrier for nitrate reductase. In this picture, the structure of nitrate reductase is shown. Molybdenum is very important in organism that can carry out nitrogen fixation. Molybdenum have important role in iron absorption and translocation in plant. The deficiency symptom of molybdenum are very intervenial chlorosis that is occur firstly on older leaf as molybdenum is also mobile in plant. Young leaves may be severely twisted. The whiptail disease of cauliflower take place due to deficiency of molybdenum. Now the next is manganese. It is also important for oxidation reduction properties. It is constituent of superoxide dismutase enzyme. It is helpful in chlorophyll formation. A major role for manganese is the removal of electron from water during photosynthesis. Manganese is also essential in respiration and nitrogen metabolism. It can function effectively in some metal catalyzed enzymatic reaction which require magnesium. The deficiency of manganese take place in plant if its concentration in plant is less than 25 ppm. The absence of manganese causes disorganization of chloroplast thylakoid membrane. In addition to interveinal chlorosis on young leaf, gray or tan necrotic spot develop in chlorotic area. Due to manganese deficiency, gray specks in oats take place, phala blight in sugarcane take place, marshy spot in pea take place, and speckled yellow in beetroot take place. Next is the function of zinc. Zinc is an essential component of three enzymes: carbonic anhydrase, alcoholic dehydrogenase, superoxide dismutase, which are essential for energy production, protein synthesis, and growth regulation. Zinc is important in the synthesis of IAA, indole acetic acid. Zinc is essential for water uptake. It also plays important role in stabilization of protein. The deficiency symptom of zinc take place in plant if its amount is less than 15 ppm. The interveinal chlorosis first appear in younger leaf. Due to deficiency of zinc, the size of the leaves reduces and it causes little leaf diseases. Mainly zinc deficiency occur in calcareous soil. Due to zinc deficiency, the following deficiency symptom will occur: Khera disease in rice, white bud disease in maize, little leaf disease in cotton, chili, brinjal, citrus, etc., and bronzing in guava. Next is boron. The function of boron, specific function is unknown. However, boron is found in cell wall complexed with raffinose containing polymer. It is also found in phloem complexed with sorbitol. Boron is important for pollination and pollen germination. Pollen tubes can't elongate without boron. Boron help in potassium translocation as well as stomata opening. Calcium metabolism. Boron help and act as a regulator of potassium-calcium ratio in the plant. It is essential for translocation of sugar. The deficiency of boron are several disorders related to disintegration of internal tissue such as heart rot of beet and stem crack of celery take place due to deficiency of boron. Root and shoot tips stop growing. Terminal buds die, giving rise to witch's boom. Young leaf become very thick, leathery, chlorotic, and crinkled. Rust-colored cracks and croaking occur on young stem, petiole, and flower stalk. Due to deficiency of boron, the following deficiency symptom will take place. The first is brown or black heart in beetroot, hollow stem in cauliflower, browning or heart rot in sugarcane, internal cork in apple, necrosis in avla, and top sickness in tobacco. Next is function of chlorine. Plant frequently contain a good deal of chlorine, but very little is required as a nutrient. It has important function in photosynthesis. It may play a general role in maintaining electrical equilibrium. Chlorine essential for stomatal opening. Chlorine is related to electrical charge balance in physiological function in plant. Chlorine indirectly affect the plant growth by stomatal regulation of water loss. Deficiency symptom of chlorine. Highly branched root system are main chloride deficiency symptom. Chloride deficiency have been reported on sandy soil, humid region with high rainfall area. Wilting and twisting in wheat due to chlorine deficiency take place. The leaves have abnormal shape with distinct intervenial chlorosis. Next is nickel. The function of nickel is associated in nitrogen metabolism as it is required for the enzyme urease, which most plants use to break down urea into usable form of nitrogen. In nitrogen fixing bacteria, nickel is a constituent of hydrogenase. Nickel facilitates transport of nutrient to the seed or grain. It also helps in iron absorption. Plant grown without a suitable supply of nickel will gradually reach a deficient level at the time of sexual maturity, which will of course affect the plant reproduction and growth of the plant. The deficiency of symptom of nickel are due to accumulation of urea in leaves, necrosis of leaf tip occur. The leaf become mouse ear in appearance. This is all about the micronutrient function and deficiency symptom. Thank you.